Hi, here is the Olympus AF1 screen overall conditions. Okay, so here is the battery compartment. We just open like this and we just pull it out. Okay, so it's using 2 CR123 battery and we just put accordingly lah. But before we put it, we need to take the red ribbon out. Now we put it inside. It's too easier for us to, when we want to replace the battery, we just pull it out, then the battery will come out. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here is the film, but the film we need to slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have fit into the canister. It's like this, and push it in. And the film tip, just pull a little bit to here will do. Then make sure that your film is flat like this and just close it and you will auto load. How to know whether we have loaded the film properly? When we on it, here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. Here is the on off button lah. You just like slide it open, then it will be on. And here is the shutter button, here is the like switch length button. So here is the viewfinder. When we look into the viewfinder, we'll follow at the center point here. Got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever we want to focus. Half press it. Okay, yeah, it will light up. Got a 2 light at the beside the viewfinder. Orange light stands for flash, which means that this environment it will trigger the flash. And the button, the green light, means that it's autofocus, which means that it's off focus. If it's blinking, which means that it can't focus. So you just like press it, yeah. And when we face to the right place and half press, yeah, yeah, you see, it won't trigger the flash. You only have the green light, yeah. So when I want to switch it, yeah, like that. Then here is the flash function. Now it's fully auto, and when you click again, then it will be off. Fill in flash, which means that it's force flash. Then yeah, 3 mode. One is force, one is off, and another one is auto. And I recommend you just put it that fully auto will do. Then by pressing this button, this is continuous shooting, which half press. If I didn't release the shutter, it will keep shooting. Then another one is timer, also same. Aim to the object, half press it. Here, red light light up means that it start counting already. So it took around 10 seconds to shoot. When it's almost there, it will start blinking. You can have a look here. Yeah, like that. Okay, so when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And here's the overall condition and the function showing, and hope you enjoy it.